In this video, I'm going to show you how I bake internal links into my SEO agent team's workflow. This automates a well-organized blog that search engines can easily navigate and understand the topic clusters on offer to readers. It pulls out top keywords from the research and searches existing page content to pull out relevant pages it can include as internal links in the brief. I'll walk you through how it works using an agent RAG system and show you how I use it to set up articles that can boost your commercial page's rankings. Okay, so getting into it. The first part of this is obviously doing your keyword research. And then once you've got those keywords that you're looking to rank for, you know what internal links are going to help to benefit the page that you're writing, and the linked pages as well. So this might be a blog page as part of a topic cluster that sits underneath one of your category pages, or a landing page, and you're trying to boost the overall traffic to one of those pages. You need to obviously be able to identify those pages that this blog article that you're writing should link to. So the first way we do that is, like I say, do your keyword research, and then what we're going to do is send those keywords into one of our agents. In this case, we've called it the internal link researcher. And it's got this setup where basically, obviously it's connected to an LLM, but more importantly, it has access to this sheet, which is a list of your website pages and the keyword data collected from those pages. So let's have a look into the agent itself. As you can see, it's a tools agent which allows us to connect to the Google sheet that has all of that data stored. And yeah, I'm not going to be able to massively open this up, but you can see here, your role is to identify internal linking opportunities by reviewing available website pages in a Google Sheets tool. So to run through the process, it's receiving, in this scenario, H1 research terms that have been extracted from the analysis, and it's querying the Sheets tool to find pages matching keywords in the keywords column. It's going to prioritize links based on exact matches first, and then partial or related terms, so you get the most relevant pages come back. And the rest of that is just formatting, really. So what I'll do is I'll jump across into the Google Sheet just so you get a sample of what that looks like. It's really simple. There's nothing complicated about this sheet at all. Like I said, it's quite literally a list of your page URLs and the keywords that we've extracted from that page. Now, building that list obviously can be a little bit more of a lengthy job. If anyone's interested in that, please leave a comment on the video. I'd be happy to do a follow-up and jump into how we collected that in an automated process as well there. So, but yeah, when that agent gets triggered, this is the list of pages and keyword data that it has to come and search through. So it's trying to match the keywords to the ones that have been done in the article keyword research, sending them the most prioritized back to be included in a brief. And so if we come further along the agent here, you can see some of the other research that's going on that you might have seen if you've watched some of the other videos I've done here on YouTube as well. Ultimately, like I said, we're setting those internal links as part of the brief. So fields to set. Like I said, we've got those things we've discussed before in terms of like title and description, H1, H2s that have been suggested to include in the article. But yeah, as you can see here, also suggested internal links. And that expression is pulling from the output of the agent that you've just seen. So that gets put into our brief for the content writer agent to write from. And you can see that here. If we just go into, obviously, as you can see, we set the brief before the content writer agent is brought up. And if you have a look into the system prompt we have here, your world-class blog writer, this is a sample prompt actually, from an older version of the SEO team that I use now. But similar process in essence. As you can see, we've got a bunch of instructions here in terms of what needs to be included in the article when it gets written. And as we say here, you must include the suggested internal links. and external links in the article. So that's how it knows to look through the brief, find those, and make sure that they get pushed into the writing as well. So that's it. That's how we include internal links as part of our SEO team's work that this agent setup does. If you like this video and finds this whole agent team build interesting and useful for yourself, like I say, on my channel I've got links to other videos that show more of the agent team and how each of those separate sub-agents in a team have been set up to write automated blog articles that are unique, bespoke, written in your tone of voice in order to boost traffic to your site. So yeah, stick around, check out the channel, and thanks for watching this one.